I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, make sure you subscribe. I am so close to 9.3 thousand subscribers. I can almost taste it, but we're a little bit away. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the LUSH kitchen box for August. I am so excited. I got this delivered yesterday. It's currently Tuesday. You're watching this on Wednesday. Commitment. You're welcome. I haven't seen any spoilers of this box. I'm so impressed with myself. So many people have put it on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, the lot, and I have avoided everything. I'm so impressed. So this is going to be first impressions. I'm excited if you couldn't tell. Let's dive into this video. Let's dive into the box. Let's go. I'm so excited. It smells incredible, so I cannot wait to see what's in here, and I can't open it, so that is a good start. Okay, here we are. I'm so excited. Again, I've forgotten to bring a bin bag. I always do that, so I'm just going to have little peanuts everywhere. I am going to take the sheets off the top without looking at them and put them over here, and here we are. Okay, I'm so excited, guys. I have no idea what's in here. It smells amazing. There's definitely going to be some like bath bomby naked products in here, so I'm just going to put some of the packing peanuts onto my bed, and I'm going to go with this one. Okay, so as I do in every single video, I do need to look at the sheet to tell you guys what the products are, so I'm going to do my best to not like look over the whole sheet, which is really hard, but we're going to go for it. So the first item I can see is a bath bomb, and this is what it looks like. Beautiful. That has a very familiar smell. It's very lemony, almost like a dragon's egg mixed with like a spa. It's got a very fruity, fresh smell. That smells amazing. This is called the Lakes. Obviously is a bath bomb, and this has, I can't even pronounce half of these words. Oh, it's because I'm reading it in a different language. That would make sense. Inside this one we have cream of tartar, talc water, myrrh resinoid, Siberian fir needle oil, labdanum resinoid, which is that citrusy smell, osmanthus absolute. Okay, this is trying to get me to pronounce silly words here, but that's what's in it. It smells like dragon's egg, but with like a spa twist. That smells beautiful. Yeah, I love that. Definitely one of those like me kind of smells. Doesn't smell like a garden. You guys know I hate garden smells. That smells delish. Next up, what do we have? Okay. Oh, okay. We have another bath bomb, and this one has little bits kind of coming out of it. That again smells familiar. I've definitely smelt this smell before. Got a little bit of hair sticking out. I do apologise. It's probably really annoying. What is that? Okay, let's have a look. This is the Sicilian. Obviously a bath bomb, and this one has bergamot oil, neroli oil, Brazilian orange oil, mandarin oil, tangerine oil, marigold petals, gardenia extract, and dried orange slice. How exciting. This kind of smells like that hand cream. What was it called? Love and Light, because of the neroli. That's kind of what it smells like. Very, very uplifting, very fresh. Oh, that's really, really nice. Definitely, again, another one up my street. Doesn't smell like a garden. Just smells really clean and crisp, and definitely good for this time of year. That's really yummy. Oh, I love that. Okay, matches my t-shirt as well. How cute. Love it. Okay, next up we have... Okay, I'm not sure about this one. Okay, this is the All Blue Skies shower gel. Now, if you guys know me, I have been making LUSH videos for probably 5 years. I have never, ever, ever bought Blue Skies because I don't like it. But we are going to continue. This is the All Blue Skies shower gel, and this one has patchouli oil, olibanum resinoid, cinnamon leaf oil, titanium dioxide, all that kind of stuff, and that is the main ingredients pretty much. So let's give it a smell. I'm really scared that I'm not gonna like it, but I know that my mum would like this smell, I think, because of the patchouli, so it will definitely get used. But I mean, I will say this is the most beautiful colour. It looks like paint from when you were at school. I love it. However, oh god, I really hope I like it. Pray for me, guys. Here we go. Okay, she's thick though. It looks like that honey trend that's going around on TikTok at the moment. Why do I... Hang on. I kind of like that. And I'm shocked. Because I hate the bath bomb, the bubble bar. Oh, but maybe I like it now. I haven't smelt it in a long time. I don't mind that. If my friend Ben is watching, he's going to be very shocked that I'm saying that. But yeah, that smells nice. Oh, I can't believe I'm saying that. I'm unsure. No, I do like it. It's got like a hot toddy, pepperminty, like patchouli smell. Like if you mix hot toddy with like Karma, that's kind of what that smells like. Why do I like that? I'm shocked, but I do really like that. And I'm glad because it's a medium-sized bottle, which is really, really great for value. So maybe I need to try the bubble bar. Who knows? I might give it a go. But that's really actually quite good. So moving on to the next item I can see is another bottle. And this, okay, I'm definitely going to love this. This is the Ice Blue shampoo. I love Lush shampoos. So I'm really excited about this one. This one says, keep hair and scalp in mint condition with reviving washes full of tingle-inducing spearmint and peppermint oils. Now, as you guys know, I want to grow my hair. Clearly, we're not getting very far, but this is the kind of thing that I love to try. And ingredients-wise, this one has peppermint oil, fine sea salt, menthol crystals, spearmint. Let's give it a smell. Okay, this straight up smells like toothpaste. But I really think I'm going to love this one. It's actually hair wash day for me today, so I might try this in a minute. I'm literally going to go and have a bath after this video. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to use this. I'll let you guys know on my Instagram what I think because I'm really excited to give that a go. I love getting new shampoos. Very excited about that. 10 out of 10 Lush. Loving this box so far. Okay, so I'm moving on to what I believe to be the last thing. So let me just have a feel. It's probably really nice noise for you. I really think you might like this ASMR, you know? Maybe, maybe not. Whatever floats your boat. I'm starting to lose the plot. As you can tell, I'm really tired from my full day at work today. But the last item in this box, I'm so excited. Okay, the last thing in this box is the Salted Caramel Lip Scrub. And it says, sweet and salty so you don't have to choose. Made with golden castor sugar and decadent argan oil. Okay, you guys know I have to try this. I'm gonna eat some. What? Oh my god, that smells unreal. Wow. Okay, let's look at the ingredients for this one. That smells heavenly. So this one has jojoba oil, shea butter, sandalwood oil, sea salt, golden castor sugar, benzoyl resinoid, cocoa powder, argan oil, paprika. Wow, okay. I'm actually going to eat some because you guys know that I can't not, so I'm just going to eat it. Wow. Yeah. I could eat that as a snack. That is unbelievable. I love that. You guys know I have a lot of lip scrubs. I've mentioned this, I think, in like my previous video or something, how I have far too many lip scrubs. And I really want to do what my friend Kelsey does. She takes it in the shower and does all that. I might start doing that because then I'll actually use them up a bit more. But I love that. And it matches my top. I love it. I love the theme here. We've gone for like blue, yellow, green. I love it. And that's it. Kind of sad now. But I'm so excited to use everything. Wow, I don't even know what my favourite one was. I am really excited to give the shampoo a go. I love this. I think these are my favourites in the box. Both bath bombs smell amazing. I'm surprised that I love this. I'm impressed. Is it my favourite box so far? Could be. I love it. So good. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below if you've subscribed to this kitchen box, and obviously, as you guys know, I am subscribed to the Fresh and Flowers box, which will be coming soon. So excited to give that a try and unbox it. But yeah, let me know if you've subscribed to this one. If you did, let me know what is your favourite, and if you haven't, let me know what was your favourite. Regardless, let me know what was your favourite, because I love to know. So yeah, let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like I said, I am so close to 9.3k, and I upload LUSH videos every single Sunday and another video on a Wednesday. However, I do sometimes put an extra LUSH video in on a Wednesday, like today, if it kind of falls on a good day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys a lot, and I will see you in my next video, which will be Sunday at 6:30 p.m. Oh, bye guys.